going to do a figure called Coup De Pique. Now, what that means in French, you got me. But what I've told that it's mean in French is that you're picking or you're stabbing the bull. Okay? So you're taking your shape and you have to pick at the bull. There's another step called banderillas. Those are the swords that are picking. So there's another step we're going to look at later that have a similar idea. So when I do a coup de pique, what has to happen, it's not just a point through. You're going to lower into your front leg and pick your foot, point your foot, and create your shape. So on one is one, so you're pointing and you're shaping, so which means my hip is out. On two, I'm going to rise because this leg has to come up. So the reason why this leg comes in is the rising two. Now I've wound up, but I have energy here. So here's 3, 4, 5. Then chasse 6 and 7, or 6 and 7, 8. So again, I can do any type of shaping on the 6 and 7 as we did earlier with the promenades. So the idea of a coup de pique is to point or try to stab at the bull. So I'm in my shape. Generally, I've just done a shape to my right. So I always try to finish my last thing to the right so that when I either appel or coup de pique, it's a change. So there's 1, up 2, down 3. See, I'm down 3 because this should be pointing at 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, or 6 and 7, 8. Now I'll show it with a partner with Angela here. So we're going to do it on a side view first. So again, I always want preparation. Anytime you throw a ball, you don't throw it, you wind up. Hit a golf ball, you wind up. Same thing here. You're doing a preparation with a shape. So your shape is hard to prepare here because this is neutral. I want a little bit of shaping. It doesn't have to be a lot. A little bit of shaping. Now when we point through, that shape changes. So the hip is lifted right now. If you watch, her hip is lifted to the right. When we're done, it's going to be lifted to the left. So you're going to see here, 1, 2. So her hip is sat down, 2. Now she's going to change it. She's going to close. She's going to close her left foot. I close my right foot. Boom, it's up. And we twist it back. Now she's wound up and twisted. She's going to twist again, cross behind. Yes. Now twist again. Cross behind. Now here's the syncopated chasse. Normal. And if we've crossed behind, here's the syncopated chasse with a shape up at the end. All right? So without stopping, we'll do that, and then we'll do it towards you. So it's going to be, you have a shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Right to there. Now we'll do it towards you so you can see. Now you can slow the video down if Angela went too fast. Okay, I'm trying to speak slowly, but she just has all this energy, and she's not letting me go slow. I'm going to try to go slower now. So here we're going to do it towards you. Let's come closer. Towards you. So you're going to see, where is my shape? And you're going to see space. Paso is about space. Why is Paso about space? Just think of a 250-pound bull coming at you if you're a bullfighter. You're not going to hold your cape, my cape, near me, because the bull is going to get me. I always want to keep my cape as far away from me as possible. So when the bull, because he's colorblind, he's going to look for the red cape. He doesn't see me in black and all my outfit, but if the cape is here, he has a chance to get me. So the idea is always to have shape. So I have shape here. She's away from me. 1. See, I went there. 1. We're listed this way. 2. Twisted. And see, we've twisted back. We twist back again.
Sorry.
And she steps. That's okay. So we're right there. Now we're going to go up again. Boom. Now her weight is on her left foot. Weight is on my right foot. We take the other foot to cross behind. There. Now we chasse 7 and 8 and. So sometimes we forget to transfer our weight. Okay? Or we have our weight between 2 feet. If that happens, we demonstrated. She purposely did it so you can see.
Yes.
When your feet are split weight, it can kind of bobble. So we're going to demonstrate again so you don't have to see that. So we point through. 1. Close our foot on 2. So right now, my left foot, and we're going to cross behind. Now where's my weight? My weight's on my back foot. So weight's on her back foot so that we can close again. Cross behind again. Syncopate, chasse, shape again. So we always have to transfer weight. Okay? And especially with music which is faster, which Paso is fast. If we get here, if I do it sideways here, if I go 1, 2, where's my weight right now? It's in between both. So now when I have to cross, I don't do a very good job. So here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, 6, and 7, 8. So I always change my weight. Now I did that, that's probably not the prettiest, but I wanted you to see that we want that instead of 1, 2, 3, I'm in between. 4, I'm in between. 5, I never get on one foot or the other. That's your coup de pique.
That was excellent.